Okay, good morning. Like I told you, we'll be starting CSS today. So I'm just going to start from here. Like I skipped the home, the introduction, and the syntax. It's just more like introduction. But from here, I'm just going to briefly tell you what CSS is all about. Then we'll now go like on how to make use of CSS. First of all, when we started JavaScript, I explained to you that we are dealing with front-end development, and that front-end development like consists majorly of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I told you that HTML is more like the skeleton. When you look at a human body, like the skeleton, you are not seeing the skeleton. You understand? You are not seeing the skeleton. So the HTML is more like it's used to like make up the skeleton of the web or any website, just like the skeleton of the body is used to make up your own body now. Now, that is all about HTML. You understand? Without HTML, there will not be CSS nor JavaScript. So HTML is very, very important to front, in fact, to the website. You get. Now, I went further to tell you about CSS. I told you that CSS is just more like applying style, making it to look better. Like you see a beautiful lady, a guy will see a beautiful lady and say, oh my God, this girl too fine. Like, you understand? Like, this girl is beautiful. Now, this thing goes beyond the skeleton. Now, if you see the lady now in her skeleton and her differently, now you'll be like, ah, well, who be this skeleton? But when you see her without with skeleton and her beauty, her natural beauty and endowment, you'll be like, ah, this lady is fine. So now in the website, CSS is used to make the HTML look beautiful. And I'm going to show you that subsequently as we advance. So now JavaScript, I'm still going to explain it. So just more like to refresh our memory on what we have started doing. So JavaScript now is more like attaching functionality to that website. For example, take for instance yourself now, you stood up, you walk to the kitchen, take food to eat. That's the ability of you doing those action. Okay, JavaScript is more like an action word, more like action. You understand? Whatever you do, blinking your eyes, moving your hands, moving from one place to the other, drinking water, talking, and all those things, that's JavaScript. So in the website development, now in the front end website development, JavaScript is used to apply functionality. So if you understand this thing now, when we start this CSS, it won't be like a very difficult task for you. So this is just my own introduction. I have skipped their own introduction. So I'm just explaining it for you in a way like you will understand. So I hope you understand. So in the next video, we are going to delve into the syntax, CSS syntax, and how to apply CSS in your project. Subsequently, we'll talk about the selectors and how to apply them um, and so forth. Sha. So that will be all for now.